It might look simple to you, but that pattern is actually very difficult. You'll get a chance later on in the show to see an advanced pattern from our wranglers as well.
Go sit!
On the left-hand side of the arena is our ranch hand vaulting class.
I'd be afraid to stand.
They have a chance to work with And our judge is Sam Townley, and she's looking for execution of routine, nice straight lines, big smile, having a good time, flexibility, looking good out there, you guys. I think we need to do some cheering and some hooting and hollering. Let's give everybody a round. There we go. Believe it or not, applause is music to these guys' ears as well.